The topic is sexual reproduction. Now, in sexual reproduction, it involves formation and fusion of haploid male and female gametes to form a diploid zygote from which the adult organism is formed later. Now, in sexual reproduction, we take one male gamete, which is haploid in nature, and it fuses with female gamete, which is again haploid in nature, and they will fuse to form zygote, which is diploid in nature. These gametes are produced in male and female gonads, which are known as testes. So, male gonad or male reproductive organ is known as testes, and female reproductive organ is known as ovaries. So the male and female gonads may be present in the same individual or in two different individuals. So they can be present in the same individual also, and they can be present in two different individuals also. In plants, flowers with both male and female organs, they are known as bisexual flowers. So in flowers which have both male and female organs, they are known as bisexual flowers. And if a flower has either male organ or female reproductive organ, then they are known as unisexual. Unisexual means it has only one type of organ, which is either male or female. Plants bearing unisexual flowers of both types on the same or different twigs are known as monoecious plants, for example, maize. In case of monoecious plants, we have both male and female flowers present, which can be on the same or different twigs. On the other hand, plants that bear either male or female flowers, they are known as dioecious. So dioecious has either male or either female flowers, and the example is papaya. Now, in case of animals, individuals with both male and female reproductive organs, they are known as hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite is a type of animal which has both male and female reproductive organ, and when male and female reproductive organs are present in separate. So if an individual has either male or either female reproductive organ, then they are known as unisexual. Now, male individuals, they have the reproductive organ as testes and they produce sperm, which are the male gametes. And female individuals, they have the reproductive organ, which is known as ovaries, and they produce ova, which is the female gamete. Sperms are motile while ova are non-motile and they contain stored food. Now, sperms are motile because they have flagella which helps them to move. Now, the fusion of haploid sperm and ovum, they form a diploid zygote, and this is known as fertilization. So, when sperm and ovum will fuse, they will form a diploid zygote. And when zygote and also the adult organism develop from the zygote, they receive half chromosomes from one parent and other half from the other parent. This increases chance of variations in individuals. This is the advantage of sexual reproduction, that half chromosomes come from one parent and half from the other parent. So the zygote which is formed is a variation, is a varied form of both the parents. So this helps them to evolve with the changing surroundings. Now, the characteristics of sexual reproduction are that in animals it is biparental, that is, two parents are involved, one male and one female, and whereas in plants it involves separate male and female reproductive organs. So, in case of animals, it is biparental because both the parents are involved, and in plants it involves separate organs. Now, male and female gametes are formed in respective reproductive organs. Now, the gametes are produced by meiotic divisions and they are haploid. So, the gametes are produced by meiosis, which causes them to be haploid as the number of chromosomes in them are half. Fusion of male and female gametes from two different parents takes place, and this step is known as fertilization when the fusion of gametes take place. Now, as a result of fertilization, a diploid zygote is formed, and this zygote undergoes repeated mitotic division to form a daughter organism. So, when the zygote will be formed, it will undergo various mitotic division and it will form a respective new individual. Now, daughter organisms are genetically different from both the parents but resemble in certain features. There will be variations from the original parents as half genetic material has come from one and other half has come from the other, but they will resemble in certain features as the genetic material is same. Let us read about the significance of sexual reproduction. Now, first significance is that it results in the new combination of genes brought in the zygote, and this increases the genetic variation and diversity of characters. So, genes will be new combination as half of the genetic material comes from one parent and half comes from the other. So, this results in the new combination of genes and also results in variations. Now, variations are very important as they favor evolution and play an important role in origin of new species. This is because that surroundings around us keeps changing. So it is very important for variations to occur and new species to be formed for us to survive in the changing environment. Now, third is that it maintains same number of chromosomes in future generations. Now, the gametes are formed through meiosis, and when the zygote will be formed, it will be diploid. So the number of chromosomes will be same as that it was of the parent. So this helps to maintain the same number of chromosomes.